The video's topic is Bisaya Prank in native
Ah,
camp, and that was so popular.
uh-huh.
And
I see. So you're gonna prank some teachers.
yes, including you.
Oh, oh my god.
大阪ジャパン、動画ジャパン。Yuki ni studying English is so fun because I can do prank in Bisaya. This time I'm going to suddenly speak in Bisaya in English class. Just enjoy their reaction. Let's go!
Hi, good
Hello.
morning. Hello.
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 Good morning.
Welcome to my class. My name is She.
My name is Rhea.
My name is Grace.
What is your name?
My name is Yuki.
Yuki. Nice to meet you, Yuki.
How are you today?
I'm great. After the class, I'm going to Filipino supermarket.
When? Today?
Today, yes.
I see. So it seems like you love Philippines.
Yes.
Have you been here in the Philippines
Uh,
before?
yes, a few times, and
Only
yes.
in Cebu. How about Bohol, Neighborhood Island? Have you tried Bohol?
Yes, I've been to Bohol, and I saw chocolate hills.
And you saw the Tarsier as well.
Not yet. I didn't see that here.
You didn't see the very big eyes, like a monkey. Animals.
Animal. Yawaka animal.
Okay. I hope you will enjoy your time here. But anyway, you mentioned me earlier that you're after this class, you are going to a Filipino or Philippine supermarket.
I'm going to buy some seasoning.
Seasoning. Oh, magic sarap.
Magic Sub, yeah, that's the evolutionary product in the Philippines. I love it. That's so convenient.
I see. I'm so great to know that. Thank you so much for loving the Filipino products and especially the Filipino culture.
All right. So, but anyway, if you don't mind, why do you love Philippines?
Because I can expose myself in the country. So I love people, I love the weather, place,
You love
everything.
you love the weather here in the Philippines. It's too hot.
So, are you going to cook some Filipino cuisine?
Yes, I try.
Are you gonna cook adobo?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I just search after
Oh.
the shopping.
Yeah, I went to Bohol last month. We go to I saw some chocolate kids and then the Tarsier and went to whale shark and the dolphin watching. There is a dolphin watching there, but you have to go there in the ocean very early in the morning because the dolphin will be came out when it's early in the morning, 7 or 6 a.m.
Well, I love hot weather.
In my case, I really don't like being
Really.
under the heat of the sun. So that is why every day I always do an overtime. I am supposed to end my shift 2 p.m. But 2 p.m. is the hottest hour here, as you know.
Have you eaten some Filipino dishes?
Yes, I love adobo. I love adobo and pancit canton and
Oh.
halang-halang.
Halang-halang nga. They're my favorite foods. Adobo, halang-halang, pasit canton.
That's
Yes.
so delicious. Sobrang masarap.
Sobrang masarap. Yes. Oishi.
Oishi. Oh.
A lot of dolphin, like they're flying, jumping. Yeah, I was so amazed because it's my first time go there and then see the dolphin.
Do you also interested in learning Filipino language?
Yes, I'd love to. What language do you speak?
Yeah, I speak Bisaya.
Oh, really?
Cebuano language.
Oh, I said that's nice. Pero init kayo sa Cebu City. Pero mas tugunaw sa Bohol.
Have you been to Bohol? Dito na sa Bohol.
Nakaadugo sa Bohol, Cebu.
I hope this year I can go to Palawan because I'm also saving money for Palawan trip.
Oh,
Mm, mm, mm.
I see. There are many YouTubers out there.
Yeah, there's a very famous local artist. Yeah, from other countries, especially Western country. A lot of foreigners in Palawan.
Yeah, every May 13th and 14th, they will celebrate something like kind of feast celebration for Malapascuan people.
Feast.
Yeah, not feast, like this one. Feast.
Feast.
Gathering.
Okay,
There's
I thought feast.
Yeah.
How about sa Sikihor? Sikihor is separate from Bohol. It's a different city. Do you also, or have you ever been to Sikihor also?
Wala pa nakado sa Sikiho. Kalimuto where?
A festival.
Nindot diha kay sa layo kayo pero
Layo.
gusto ko mo ado dito.
Layo kayo pero gusto ka mo adto dito.
Oo. Sana all na ay ka.
Oh,
Oh, I see. Do you know any Japanese vloggers?
I don't know
Mhm.
like any Japanese, but a lot of my students told me that there's a lot of Japanese vloggers and they do vlog in Palawan, Boracay. Boracay is the #1 beach in the Philippines. You should try Boracay as well.
I try it.
Yeah,
Nindot dito.
yeah,
Like,
very
oh.
nindot kaayo.
Oh, nindot
Super
kaayo.
nindot.
Nakado ko sa Bohol o Cebu pero init kayo sa Cebu.
Yes, very init.
Init. Oh, nindot kayo dito.
Yeah, nindot daw dito.
Oh, that's
You're
nice.
good at Bisaya, ha?
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang kay Pilipino ako ang sawa. Oh.
Very.
Mau di ay, mas tugunaw sa Bohol kay sa Cebu.
It's same.
Eh,
Parihara.
pare,
Same.
parehara, mau ba?
Yeah, you know how to speak Bisaya.
Oh, nahimo na kong Bisaya.
Oh, the teacher taught you on how to speak Bisaya.
My followers.
My
Followers.
you are YouTubers.
I'm a vlogger. I'm
You are a vlogger. I see.
not YouTube, but in Facebook.
Just a
But
vlogger. Really?
yeah.
Wow.
Famous video is Bisaya Prank.
Really? I didn't know that. What's your Facebook? I'm going to add you. Is it okay?
Okay. My teacher, my Bisaya teacher, is like my followers.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
In what?
200,000 followers.
In what platform or in what social networking site?
Facebook.
Facebook.
Actually, I'm a vlogger in the Philippines. I'm living in Japan, but I'm a vlogger. Sorry. Rhea, actually, I'm a vlogger in the Philippines.
really? I must check your YouTube video so that I can subscribe your channel.
Main platform is Facebook. My
okay.
name is
So,
I type it.
din- ah, looks familiar because I have seen. Oh, that's,
What did you
so
say?
wait. I think I have seen some of your video. Bisaya ni Yuki. Oh, I see. That's why you look familiar also.
Osaka, Japan, Doha, Japan.
You have-
Yuki.
Osaka, Japan, Doha, Japan.
Because I'm living in Osaka.
Oh, I will follow you. Oh, you
Salam.
have already a lot of subscribers, huh? More than 200,000 followers.
Okay, I already followed you.
Oh, salamat. Daghang salamat.
Walang sapayan.
Oh, I see.
Popular video is like Bisaya Prank in native camp.
Oh, Oh, maybe you're pranking me this time. Maybe you're recording me. Aren't you?
Yes, actually yes, but if you don't mind, is it okay if I publish it on my page? Ah, salamat,
Yeah,
dagang
it's
salamat.
okay.
Salam. I did something before. The video's topic is Bisaya Prank in native
Ah,
camp, and that was so popular. And
I see. So you're gonna prank some teachers.
yes, including you.
Oh, oh my god, including me. I see. That is why I've already heard about that. That there's a vlogger, there's a student which is a vlogger, and you should be careful, guys, because the student is like maybe like just pretending that they're like that. So you are.
Yes, I am. Ah, someone said that.
Yeah. So finally,
Finally, if you don't mind, is it fine if I publish? Yeah,
yeah,
actually,
sure.
I'm recording this one.
Yeah, sure, no
Oh,
problem.
okay, salamat, dagang salamat.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
I say, make it sure my face there is beautiful.
Oh, yeah, no, no problem, no problem.